In the quaint town of Willowbrook, a dusty vintage mirror found its way into the home of the Andersons. At first glance, it was an exquisite piece, reflecting the charming surroundings of their cozy living room. However, as dusk settled on the horizon, an eerie transformation took place within the mirror's gleaming surface. One evening, the Andersons noticed their reflections behaving oddly, detached from reality. Curiosity morphed into dread as they witnessed their mirror selves engaged in disturbing activities not mirrored in the room. The mirror seemed to unveil an alternate dimension, one where shadows whispered secrets of a twisted reality. In the mirror dimension, the Andersons' doppelgangers lived in perpetual darkness. Sinister versions of their family resided in an unsettling replica of their home, distorted by malevolent forces. Each night, the mirror world manifested its sinister intent, tempting the Andersons to enter. Driven by morbid fascination, the family decided to explore this malevolent parallel universe. Stepping through the looking glass, they found themselves in a nightmarish realm where time seemed frozen and ominous whispers echoed through the distorted corridors. The mirror dimension unveiled unsettling truths about the Andersons' lives. Dark secrets they buried in the recesses of their minds manifested as grotesque specters. The family was forced to confront their inner demons as the malevolent force within the mirror fed on their fears. Desperate to escape, the Andersons navigated through a maze of twisted corridors and haunted chambers. The mirror dimension seemed to feed off their fears, manifesting grotesque visions that blurred the line between reality and nightmare. Shadows clawed at their sanity as they struggled to find an exit. As dawn approached, the Andersons stumbled back into their living room, the vintage mirror regaining its serene appearance. Terrified and changed, they realized the mirror dimension was a malevolent entity, preying on the vulnerabilities of those who dared to peer into its twisted reality. The vintage mirror, now a malevolent portal, stood as a silent sentinel, waiting for the next unsuspecting family to be ensnared in its web of nightmares. The Andersons, forever haunted by the horrors they witnessed, could never look at their reflections without glimpsing the twisted shadows that lingered in the mirror dimension.